When I was real young, my grandmother lived just down the street from a surplus store. At that surplus store, I used to buy olive drab surplus boonie hats. Wore them to school, majority of elementary school, instead of baseball caps. Pale blonde kid, my hair darkened from blonde to light brown as I got older. Pale blonde kid, the boonie hat kept me from burning in the Southern California sun. Now, a year after having bought a black one online, this boonie hat, it serves to keep me from melting in the rain, and when it's summer sun, keeps my ears from sunburning. And when it's windy, the drawstring, chin strap. Drawstring's not the right term. The chin strap keeps it connected. While everyone else wants to be a Red Bull sponsored athlete, I don't drink energy drinks. I have zero tolerance to caffeine. What I would want as a sponsored athlete amongst drinks, Oakhurst Dairy out of Portland, Maine. I love the coffee milk. Same spot as yesterday. Stars, man. Stars. It's just gonna be a hold today.